What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're doing something different. I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but we hit the 50,000 subscriber milestone. That is a huge deal, and I didn't think it was gonna happen this soon, and it's all thanks to you guys. In celebration of this big milestone, I wanna hold a giveaway. As a lot of you know, I hold a lot of giveaways, but this time is a little bit different. The whole setup of this was actually inspired by another channel called The King of Random. He's got almost like 10 million subscribers now, but when he hit 50,000 subscribers, he held a very similar giveaway, and I figured, hey, why not do the same thing? It looked really fun. It makes it a little more competitive, which I really like. You guys are gonna be helping me grow to the next milestone of 100,000 subscribers. So in this giveaway, there's gonna be 3 winners. Now, the grand prize winner is gonna get the Xiaomi Notebook Pro that I just reviewed. You can click right here, check out that video, or is it over here? I think it's over here. Is it over here? I think it's over here. Go check that out. It's definitely a really cool laptop, but the grand prize winner is getting that. That's worth about $1,000. The second and third place winner, you guys are gonna get to decide which one you want, but I handpicked these 2 products because I think they're the best of the best, among the best of the best that I've unboxed the past year and a half. One is the Braven Ready Elite speaker, which is an absolute beast of a speaker. It's about a $300 speaker, and the Phil Diva Pro headset, and that's like a $350 headset. Really, really cool headset. How do you enter? Step 1, subscribe with notifications. If you haven't already, you definitely should. Step 2, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter, no big deal. It's not an absolute requirement, but you know, to help me out even more, follow me if you can. Step number 3, post a comment at the bottom of this video describing which video is your favorite and what you liked about it. Step number 4, which is the most important step of all of them, this is the how you're actually gonna compete. Share any of my videos on any social media website, no matter where it is, Facebook, Reddit, whatever. The key is to get as many likes as possible, or upvotes, whatever is equivalent to a Facebook like. You can share it by either copying the link by hitting the share button, and you can copy the little link right there, or hit the share button and you can select one of the websites that YouTube has listed down below. In 2 weeks, I'll post a follow-up video asking for your results. Now, you're gonna tell me down below what you shared, how many likes or upvotes you got on that. You're gonna have to leave a link with it so I can verify that it's correct. I am gonna check every one of them. People who share and get the most likes are gonna be the winners. There's only gonna be 3. So again, just a quick little recap. Subscribe with notifications on. Optionally, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Leave a comment down below of this video describing which video is your favorite and why you liked it. The most important step, share any of my videos on any social website and try to get as many likes as possible. That's all you gotta do. Just to be as clear as possible, I'm also gonna leave the requirements for the contest down below in the description. Also, you know, just to end everything here, I just wanna say thank you so much for everybody, all 50,000, 50,000. That's a lot of people. There's a lot of you out there. 50,000 of you clicked on my subscribe button, which is amazing. I am forever grateful. There's not a whole lot I can say other than thank you so much for the support you guys are giving me. It's absolutely amazing. Completely unexpected. Here's to 100,000. And good luck. I look forward to seeing your comments. I'm looking forward to seeing what the results are. It's gonna be very interesting. But good luck to everybody, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Now get out of here. Also, I totally forgot to mention, it's completely international. Anywhere in the world, you can enter. Okay, now get out of here.